Hello traders, Lance Ippolito here. Let's get to, oh, you can actually see me now, huh? Some of the market updates and some trades here. So had a very nice beginning of the week with First Solar, bought some weekly 73s for 69 cents and took some profits yesterday at 98 cents and then today at $1.50. So getting near that triple. And for solar calls, and today I probably could have sold them, probably near $2, but I wanted to hold through JKS Solar earnings today, so I kept a few on, see how JKS Solar reports. If it goes up, I think the solar names, First Solar, specifically because I'm in, and SunPower can see a big up move to the upside, even Canadian Solar. Again, very strong, up 2.5% today off their earnings a few days ago. So, I like the solar names. And what else do I like? Names in the crude oil space. Although I want to make this clear. I want to make sure that the energy names, it's not a one-day bounce, one-day short squeeze. Names like RIG had massive call flows today. I want to make sure this continues with the crude oil futures breaking out to the upside, up about 3% on some volume. I just want to make sure names like MRO, CRC, Hess, Devon, they all catch a bid too, like today with the big short squeeze. Couple things I want to avoid, and spoke about this in the member video. Tech. Goodbye. Tech, you mean nothing to me, specifically good old Facebook. No desire to touch it. But if you're looking at long, something like Box, very attractive, moving up, and some call buying. So airliners, I wanted to get in love with them, couldn't. They got hit today. Tech got hit today. Something like Snap, I actually feel like Snap is cheap. Me, I'm a junk stock trader. We did take out the lows, but here we are bouncing today up about 3.5%. I actually like Snap as a long-term possible play. Heading into their next earnings report, maybe getting in early. And then the gold names like Gold Corp, Barrick Gold, your gold miners, GLD, the NUGT, all my friends love it. Hey, gold names caught a bid today, and we've seen the dollar, or you could look at the UUP decline. So maybe this is the beginning of something. I've been wanting to become a gold bull again for the inflation trade, so maybe this is the start of it. Gold names are very cheap, I feel like. So if we can get some momentum here, I'm looking at Wheaton Precious Metals, it's a silver name, and they're actually reporting earnings. I have no trade on, but I'm just curious to see how they report. If we can start seeing the dollar being weak, which I think would be very, very good, then we can have the gold names, which have been very, very difficult to trade, and they've just been getting beat down. I mean, look at gold GDX, Gold Miners ETF. We could actually start seeing some fun moves in the gold stocks, which I would love to see. I feel like they're really cheap and they have a lot of upside, so that would be something I am looking forward to. And again, I know it's not popular, but avoiding tech because I'm not smart enough to know what Facebook and the news will come out with, or what will be the next tech stock to have this bad news. Rather just sit on my hands. Thanks, everyone.